Okay, we're sitting the second weld. Here it comes. Notice how the sound is sounding more and more solid. I'm turning the bar as I weld, overlapping the welds. Help everything nice and solid. Wire brush this a little bit. Get rid of this wire. Slide that off the end. Wire brush. Now, the next weld, keep an eye out for these stainless pieces because they will almost like melt into the surface of the bar. See this pier right here? That's going to be rewelded. I'll take care of that next. Here the fire goes. And I'll be back shortly.